Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I've always said that you can take someone who doesn't know anything about pressure washing, give them the best equipment, most expensive, newest stuff, and they'll screw stuff up. You can give somebody who knows what they're doing, has been doing it for a while, the absolute worst equipment, and they'll still get it done. It might take longer, but they'll still get it done. So we ended up today doing the fence and the house, and thank God it's a brick house and not a lot of high areas of one story. But when we got here, we found out it's like, okay, we're not getting our booster pump and our proportioner to draw bleach at all. None. Come to find out, the check valve was broken, and it was broken in such a way where we couldn't switch it out because it broke inside the manifold block. And, you know, it's like you can't extract that out in the field. It's going to have to come off, and they'll actually have to extract that plastic out very carefully, put a new one in, and go to town. So we ended up spending about 30 minutes trying to get it to prime and before we figured out what was wrong. And it's like, okay, well, we ain't got no more time. Let's just go. So we're out here. We did this house and this inside and out of this fence with pump-up sprayer, mixing bleach and soap by hand, and a gutter brush and a bucket full of bleach and soap. So we did all this essentially the old school, like really old school, not even like downstream and old school, like old school. But we got it done. It looks good. Just as good a job as we would have done. This would have probably taken an hour and a half, 2 hours. We're going on 4 hours. So it doubles your time, but still got it done. Customer's happy. We got paid. They got the job they needed, and we're going to go work on some equipment. But anyway, that's just what I'm, reiterates what I'm saying. The equipment, having good equipment is only part of the equation. Having the knowledge, having the just fortitude and knowing what you're doing is probably about 75-80% of it. Your equipment just makes it go faster. It's just efficiency. Equipment efficiency, knowledge is your key. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.